This is the guidance video then for the Year 7 baseline test, Section A, Knowledge Recall. All the marks have 1 mark for their answer unless I say otherwise. At the end of the test, please score out of 31. Question 1 for 1 mark. Who built the Titanic? The answer is Harland and Wolff. Number 2 for 1 mark. The Titanic sank in 1912. Question 3 for 3 marks. The 3 claimants to England's throne after the death of Edward the Confessor were Harold Godwinson, Harold Hardrada, and William the Conqueror, also known as the Duke of Normandy. William the Duke of Normandy. 4. Who was defeated at the Battle of Stamford Bridge? That was Harold Hardrada. Number 5. What type of retreat did William make? For 1 mark, this was a fake or a feigned retreat. Number 6 for 1 mark. Harold Godwinson was killed by an arrow through his eye. Number 7 for 1 mark. The first Norman castles were called Mott and Bailey Castle. Number 8. Name another type of Norman castle. The Normans built the concentric castles, or we've got the example of the Tower of London. Number 9. Who was at the top and the bottom of the feudal system? For 2 marks. At the top was the king or the monarch. At the bottom were the peasants or the villeins. Number 10. What was the Domesday Book? It was a survey of people, places and property in England. Any one of those is an acceptable answer. Number 11. The king responsible for Thomas à Becket's death was Henry II. Name a good and bad element of King John. There are obviously lots of answers to this. 2 examples. He signed the Magna Carta for good, but also he broke the terms of the Magna Carta for bad. Number 13. In what year was the Black Death? That was 1348. 14. 2 symptoms of the Black Death for 2 marks. You could choose from temperature, rash, buboes, black fingers and toes. Other answers are possible. 15. 2 ways of treating the Black Death. Praying, flagellating, that was whipping yourself, bleeding yourself, bursting the buboes, using frogs on the buboes, using chickens on the buboes. Number 16. Who was the first Tudor king? That was Henry VII. Number 17 for 6 marks. Henry's wives in the correct order. Catherine of Aragon, Anne Boleyn, Jane Seymour, Anne of Cleves, Catherine Howard, Catherine Parr. Number 18. Who was the Queen of England at the time of the Spanish Armada? That was Elizabeth I. 19. What type of ship did the English send towards the Spanish? Those were fire ships. And finally, the year of the Spanish Armada was 1588. Please add up and score out of 31.